see Jesus is ready. All right, so Andrea and Jesus told us this subtraction, this addition sentence. 3 plus 2 equals 5. When I think, the parts of the total are the two numbers that work together to make the total. I see that 3 and 2 are working together. So I'm going to circle 3 and 2. Those numbers are working together. They're working together to make the whole number or the total. The whole is what you get when you put the parts together. Read that with me. The whole is what you get when you put the parts together. So I know what the two parts are. What do you think the whole is? I know these are the two parts. Only Michael knows. Remember, the whole or the total is what you get when you put the parts together. Alexa?
5.
5. How do you know?
Because if you don't circle the 5, then it's 2. And
Okay.
when it's next to the equal sign.
Because it's next to the equal sign, because that means it's the total at the end. Very nice. Let's try a different one. Now I'm going to use a subtraction sentence. You know what, actually, I'm going to challenge you guys to do this. So I'm going to give you a new addition sentence. And with your partner, you're going to figure out which numbers should I circle as the parts, which numbers should I circle as the total or the whole number. Go, Eek.
Elbow, elbow, knee.
Tell your partner which numbers I should circle.
You should circle the 4 and the 4 and the 5. You still find the 4 to make that?
4 and 2.
4 and the 6.
No, because, oops. Sorry, friends. I made a mistake. I know, we're so confused.
I'm confused. Yeah, we're confused.
That was tricky.
So easy. No? Easy.
Now you'll be able to figure it out. Okay, now tell your partner what the parts and the total are.
4 and the 2.
Yeah, and I thought some numbers were wrong in my sums. I should change something up. Okay, 1, 2.
I love you.
All right, Broncos. Andrea told me that it was a little bit tricky, so I had to change something because I had made a mistake on my addition sentence. So, who can tell me what are the parts of the total? What are the parts of the total? Adil?
4, 6.
4 and 6. Why are those the parts of the total?
Because
Do you want me to come back to you? Okay. Michael, did you have something to add to that, or do you agree or disagree?
yes, because 6 and 4 is bigger than 2.
Okay. So we know that 6 and 4
And
is
the
bigger
total
than 2.
is 6.
Okay. So if the total is 6, so Michael just told us that the total is 6. That's the number we get all together at the end. So if we know the total is 6, what are the two parts that work together to make the total? Andrea?
2 and 4.
2 and 4. Why are those numbers the parts?
Because the total is 6, and then to make 6, you need 4 and 4.
Oh. Adele, can you explain to me what Andrea just said?
The 2 and 6 are included because
Is it the 2 and the 6? Are that the total? Which number do we have as the total? 6 is the total. That's what number you get all together. So which numbers make the parts? 2 and what else? 2 and 4. Oh. So Abdiel is saying that 6 is what we get all together at the end. And we have to use 4 and 2 together to make 6. Does that make sense? We'll try a different one. I think we're going to need to try a few more. Let's try with a subtraction sentence. I'm going to use the subtraction sentence that Jose and Jerry gave us, which was 5, use a black marker. 5 take away 1 equals 4. When I look at this subtraction sentence, I see that altogether the total number is 5, because that's how many birds I have altogether, right? Do I have 5 birds altogether? Yeah. So I'm going to circle 5 as the total. What numbers go together to make 5? Which numbers are parts? Emily? One. And what else? Adriel, what's the other part?
4.
4. How do we know that 1 and 4 are the parts?